Hi, this is Queen Nina Womack, founder of Let's Be Whole's Food Pantry, and today is May 19th.
A very significant day in human rights. Today is the birthday of Malcolm X. Malcolm X and another civil rights activist who stood with him through thick and thin. Her name was Yuri. She was Japanese American.